In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the number that's halfway between two other numbers. This is useful in statistics, often when you're finding the median. If you're finding the median of a data set that has an even number of numbers, then you're going to be left with two numbers in the middle. So here, let's say this is the number of goals I've scored in my first 4 seasons for Real Madrid. 3, 7, then 38, then 44, and you're asked to find the median. Well, to find the median, you order them from least to greatest. You take away numbers from either end until you're left with either 1 or 2 in the middle. Since it's an even number, there'll be 2 left in the middle. And to find the median, we'd have to find what's halfway between 7 and 38. So one tried and true way to find what's halfway between numbers is add the two numbers. 7 plus 38 is 45. And then split that in half. 45 divided by 2. Well, it's not going to be a whole number because 45 is odd. So let's go down one. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Then we have that one extra that we have to split in half to get 0.5. So 45 divided by 2 is going to be 22.5. And that's the answer. That is the number halfway between 7 and 38. If we want to verify, we can see that 22.5 minus 7 is 15.5, and 38 minus 22.5 is also 15.5. So 22.5 is exactly halfway in between 7 and 38. It's 15.5 away from each of those numbers. Now let's do one more example. Here we have from our statistics workbook a table that asks us to find what's halfway between two numbers. And even though it's trivial, we're going to use the method we just learned to fill out each of these boxes. So obviously what's halfway between 1 and 3 is 2, but let's just check that our method works. And our method says to add the two numbers and then divide by 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 and 20. Well, obviously 15 is halfway in between them, but let's check. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 21 and 22. It would be better to just see that 21.5 is going to be halfway in between, right? But we can use our method and get the same answer. 21 plus 22 is 43. 43 divided by 2. Well, 42 divided by 2 is 21. And then we have another whole to split in half, so 21.5. So that's one way you can always find what's halfway in between two numbers. Add the two numbers and then divide by 2.